Attention, this is not a side hustle. You can and will lose a significant amount of money if treated as such. This is not DoorDash, Uber, Amazon Flex, or any other car pickup and delivery service with minimum investment side hustle. This has the potential to scale quickly to hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars if taken with the utmost seriousness. Please approach it with a focused mindset and not a side hustle mentality. Enjoy your day, future millionaires.